As an EEE student, how should I prepare if I want to build a future with machine learning? Is it necessary to have an idea about data science to learn machine learning?
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, data science and machine learning, these are two integrated parts. So as an electrical engineer, you know about embedded system where software, hardware, these are running at the same time. So actually for machine learning, if you know the machine learning tools and techniques, in fact, you will find some of these tools are also applicable for data science. So learning machine learning tools will also help you deal with data science related tools. So I should not say the dependency, but I think learning one will help to deal with another. So if you know machine learning tools, you can deal with data science. Actually, you can deal with data. Another important thing, how will you start machine learning related research? Before that, you will find a group of algorithms we have also mentioned. You should try how to execute these algorithms. If you know these algorithms, then you will definitely find some area where can you apply your machine learning tools in your domain, even in your power, that means power generation. In that case, you can also forecast what is the scenario of the power station, what will be its longevity. You can also consider this. Another thing, if you consider network is or communication. Communication is also a big part. Nowadays, our almost all communication, we have data communication. How efficient, which channel will be most effective for sending this data? You can already we have some packet forwarding techniques. In that case, you can also consider some machine learning approaches. It depends on your consideration. Okay, if you design a scenario, I think in most of the cases you can find something where you can apply machine learning related algorithms. So actually it's not for CSE electrical, it can be applied for in any domain, but it depends on how are you thinking your problem.
Okay, I think Tobit will get his answer.